Listen, if you are not wanna, no fight. Rush now, and subscribe.
Hey,
yeah, what's up, man? You're not Chama.
I swear to God, seriously, for this ghetto like this, your profile just there everywhere, like just there every.
No, just staying through the game. Staying through this game. And the game.
That is the truth, man. See, I want you to put me through, man. At least put me through this game,
Joe, relax. Relax. See this game with this is so, Don't be something with easy. You just got to relax, okay?
Dave, I'm a man, I know say no easy, especially for ghetto here. I know say no easy.
See, guys, see the same reason why they tell me relax. Relax, now get to with day, no be rush.
Know the truth, I want to join big boys now. I follow this shit. Make I dey get small respect for area here now. They don't to insult me, They don't to insult me.
Guy, you are sure? What's happening now?
Guy, see your back, look your back.
Bobby, what's up now?
What's in the talk with that guy?
And a normal thing, just forget that one. So what's up you now?
I'm cool just like that.
Bobby, how far that stuff now?
Nigga, calm down. I'm still making use of it. I know the police are all over the neighborhood.
See, guy, I know that one. I know.
That is why I'm being extra careful. I don't want any shit.
But Bobby, you know we had an agreement. And we start something now.
Don't worry, I'll bring your stuff back for you.
You know how the shit goes.
No doubt.
Guys.
Go down.
They are gone.
How did you find me?
How did I find you? I'm your father, okay? I have my eyes on you and I have my boys everywhere. Understand?
But I did not ask for your help.
Dave, don't be stubborn. Because if I don't grab you enter this motor, police will don't grab you by now. You didn't hear me?
I can always take care of myself and I know it.
Oh, really? Listen, I'm your dad, so it's my responsibility to look out for you.
Forget it. You don't care about your family.
Oh, really? I don't care about my family. So why did I risk myself to come and help you out from the police? Why? If I don't care about you, why did I have to take all the risk to save you from the police?
Look, I want your lyrics coming out from nowhere and come out like you care, like you're some good dad or something.
Listen, Dave. Listen to me, Dave. I am a good father and you know it. And I care about you. You know that, don't you?
No, I know nothing of that nature. All I know about you is that you left your wife and your 2 children at home to suffer.
What's that? Is that what your mom told you? Eh? Now the wrong information what should they feed you with that, Abby? Listen to me. Everything you're suffering today is her fault. It was all her fault. That stupid and stubborn woman.
Stop talking about my mom like that.
It's alright, sit up, they're gone.
I say stop acting like you care. I need to get down here now.
Stop talking to me like that. I'm your father.
I said I need to get down now.
What is wrong with you?
I said pull up this car. I said I need to get down.
What the fuck is wrong with you? Get out, if that's what you desire. Out!
So just because I'm locked out for a while, I'm gonna go begin perform for club. That shootout with those chicken dogs was totally uncalled for.
See, it wasn't like that. One week.
I said low profile before traveling. So why the drama in a club?
It wasn't at the nightclub. It was done right there at the bar.
If you like, maybe for church. Even if not pastor house. Why the shootout? In a club? And I said low profile before I traveled.
See, man, that baby black. I know saying a rumor where you don't hear. That make you the vex like this because you know the vex. No mind people. How many people will kill? No, only 4 people will kill. If you don't, they go blow room on us, so we don't kill 15, 20. No mind them, no be like that here happen. No. We got to the bar to go and drink. Wanted to enter the VIP section, only for one idiot that called himself a bouncer to tell us that Cardinal and his guys were there, that they paid for the VIP lounge, that we can't come in. That's not fuck up now. You said no now. That would be Blackwood now. So we're supposed to let them know so we come. That's what we did. That's all. That's all.
You should have walked out maturely and give them home killing one by one.
Unto only me, when knock ashawo, freak ball, freak pie, freak ball, freak pie. Ashawo believe the whole neighborhood confirm They would have thought we were running away from the battlefront, so we had to hit them. That's what happened.
Running away doesn't make you a weakling. Running away doesn't mean that you are afraid. You should have walked out maturely and give them home killing one by one. I don't want such nonsense to repeat itself again. I repeat, I don't want such nonsense to repeat itself again. Back to business. Bashman, you were in charge of my warehouse. Why did you allow those chicken dogs to penetrate and fuck my business?
Boss, they came in dressed like policemen who were completely fooled.
They came in dressed like policemen. But in concern police with Miracle Center, if you open fire once you see police uniform.
Of course, we did try our best, but unfortunately, we were outnumbered.
You should have called for backup. Boys, their background normally.
Who has been selling us out to the police and the black wool? Speak to me!
I don't know. I've said nothing to anyone.
You are a bloody snitch. Informant.
I've stayed true to the Banga crew and have not broken our oath of silence.
The gospel truth is that you are a betting liar! You don't want to tell me the truth, right? Okay. I think this will make you speak faster. It will make you speak faster. I am the father! You don't tell me the truth. Are you ready to tell me your contact with the police and Black Hood? Are you ready now? I am the father that father you. Tell me the truth.
I can't betray the Banga crew. I can't sail out.
Okay. We will see.
It's okay. I'll take it from here. The police says that 2 girls were involved. Who is the second girl?
A new recruit, I was given orientation on how we operate.
A new recruit that you were given orientation on how to operate. On how to operate on sex or fucking you. Which? So you carry a shower, your boho, enter my business. And I'm sure you guys were busy making love, kissing and hugging. That was why you lost focus.
It's not like that, boss. I thought we needed more hands.
My men went down. I lost my stuff. My cousin died. Just because of your stupidity.
I'm sorry.
Women and children can be careless, not real men.
It's not gonna happen again.
Of course it won't happen again.
Postman.
Please, I'm sorry. Please, sir. Don't kill me.
Postman, calm down. Calm down now. If to say you did yourself, you say for confirm. For check and balance the equation. You know easy at all. We tried all our best. Please, Postman, don't kill me. Don't kill me. Postman, please, don't kill me. I mean, keep us.
BB 10 verse 10. Take it as you see it.
Please, don't kill me.
Alright. I will kill you.
Spare me this once, Postman, please.
You turn yourself to replacement dyer. And never reach 30 minutes when you finish. Never say don't your last lunch I've been out with the color. Many money more.
Please, don't kill me.
Baby Black. How far with this one now?
Free him. Dalama, clean this mess. Mamba, take me out of here. Let me reintroduce myself to you. My name is Cardinal. Let me tell you what I believe. I believe you're paying me back in my own coin. Because you have been trained to be silent, no matter the pain. But you know what? I'm a guy who likes to show mercy to the people he's protecting. And if you will permit me, I'll show you mercy. All I want is the truth. The whole truth and nothing but the truth. And God will help you out of this place. So speak to me, I'm listening.
I've told you all the truth. I'm not a snitch.
Tell the boys to take his body out and let them see. And let it serve as a warning to everyone who's a snitch in the Bangas family. This is what will happen to them.
No white, no flags. The war has just begun. The war has just begun!
Mom. Hey, I'm doing well, my son. This way you're joining me this hot afternoon.
Mama, I just came to check up on you now. Or can't I come in?
You're most welcome, my dear. Oh, Mom, that's very nice of you.
Mama, how is market now?
Market is very dry. They said it's because of the dollar ever increasing value. Over the naira. I don't know for them.
Mama, you think concern Onyeka Owenu with the Brazilian hair?
What does that mean? What does that mean?
Mama, what I mean is that dollar cannot affect this business. Planting business and dollar.
Well, that's what everybody's saying now.
Mama, dollar can only affect foreign trade and not planting business.
Yeah, I don't know. All I know is that it's very bad. It's seriously affecting our business. Do you know that since morning I haven't sold anything? Not even one coconut, broom or plantain. I have not sold. It's affecting my business. Maybe it's because this plantain are brought from across the border. But I'm not finding it funny. I've not sold anything. Hey, God. Wow.
Isha? Anyway,
What's that?
Mama, I told you to school fees.
Where did you get that kind of money?
From my work, of course.
David, your work? Where is this your workplace? That's always giving you so much money. If you don't come home with money, you come home with food. You come home with one thing or the other. Are you the only one working? I will not take that money. Remember, I can't take it.
Mama, look, Ogechi must not drop out of school like me. I have to work up to bring this kind of money.
What? I don't want Ogechi to drop from school. But that money is too much. It's too much for a small boy like you. No. I won't take that money. No.
Mama, this is Ogechi's school fees.
David! Come back here! David! Come back here! David! Come back here! Hey! All this money! For a small boy like that!
baby when they call himself father, father. I go mother you, that will bury you. Happy Easter! All right.
Only an angel will blindfold the hard man and still will be standing.
Oh, I see. So you're a hard man.
It's not like that, just kidding.
In what sense is it?
You won't understand the angel.
I won't understand that you still run the streets.
No, I don't run the streets. I run through the streets to keep my game through the street.
I think you have to stay true to what we have for each other.
Angel, I stay true to the love we share.
Baby, let's go inside.
No, I'm fine.
Baby, what is the matter with you?
Angel, you won't understand. I'm just here watching the stars for safety.
If I were you, I would say I'm worried over the problem on the street. Not saying you're here staring at the star.
Angel, is more complicated. You won't understand.
Baby, please, let's go in.
No worries, just go with you soon, okay?
I can't go in without.
Angel, please go. I'm coming, okay?
Let's go. I think I know what the problem is.
What?
Your boys are having problem with the Banga crew, and it's been affecting your operation. With the police sniffing around, they could come up with something.
Who told you that?
Baby, we are in the information age. I have access to terrestrial TV, internet, and...
So you believe the media? You believe the lies they spread?
Baby, I want you to give up the game and go into a legitimate business venture.
The business I do is legit, okay? Stop sounding like I'm the devil. A person be Boko Haram.
Baby, I don't want anything to happen to you. There is too much bloodshed on the street.
Angel, I'm not responsible for those bloods shed on the street. Jealousy, rivalry breeds murder.
Baby, please, I'm begging. See, my half-brother used to be a tough gangster. But he gave up the game and went into a legitimate business. And today he's doing well.
Good for him. How come you never mentioned him?
His story is not so pleasant to the ear, so I hardly discuss him. But he left the game and made a good guy out of himself.
Angel, I will do something about it, okay? Can we just go in?
Okay.
There you are.
Okay?
Yes.
Nothing is happening on this street though.
The street seemed too dull for my liking today.
No movement, no runnings. Okay? It seems that these bad boys, they have gone on sabbatical.
They better remain on their sabbatical because any one of them I catch, I'm shoot to kill. This nonsense must stop.
Okay, that will amount to extrajudicial killings.
It will actually amount to saving the life of men and officers of the Nigerian police.
Okay.
Yes.
Why are we not making progress in this case?
You know, gang members do not cooperate with the police. Nobody is ready to give evidence.
That is deadlock. And why is it that we're meeting dead ends?
We're still saying the same thing. You see, the general public self, they are not ready to cooperate. Nobody is ready to give evidence because they are afraid that they might get killed. Witnesses get killed in situations like this.
So it is deadlock. So there will not be any impact on this. So
unless we start taking them out one by one. Anyone we catch with a gun, we'll take him out immediately. And that'll be the end of it.
Okay, that policy is dangerous and mean.
But you know, the street itself is even more dangerous with those bad boys out there. Can't you see that?
Okay, no movement here though.
But nonetheless, we'll keep watch.
Alright?
We'll keep watch.
You know, say they dance if I they shoot. Eh?
Just in case.
Man, it's
okay.
Customer. Oh, no. 100 naira. It's good, well. Okay. No, okay, I give you this one. Water day inside, well, you go like him. It's sweet.
You sure say this one?
It's sweet. No, customer, shake her. The water day.
Water no day.
You know shake her well. Turn on this side, you go shake. Thank you, customer. This is your hair fine, no?
dollar ghetto hair.
If I know. Bye bye, yo. Come back tomorrow.
I don't want to come. Money on day.
I see him. My son, what brings you to the market today?
Nothing, no. Just came to hang out with you.
Yeah, chai. That's nice. No work today?
Mama, I'm on break.
That reminds me. When will you take me to this your workplace? I've been a hustle place. I would like to go there.
Mama, hustle, work, all join. Mama, see, I'll just inform my boss, then you can come.
Okay. My son, I have this problem that has been bothering me since. 2 customers came here to buy plantain and coconut. And after buying, they leave money and the things they bought. If I try to stop them, they will tell me they are coming back. But they never do. I don't want police to come and carry me. I called them. I personally called them. But they did not answer me.
Mama, it's a miracle. Mama, look, it's God's own way of taking care of you without you knowing it. This thing is a miracle directly from God.
Don't even say that. What do you mean? I am telling you that they left the things they bought and their money and never came back. And you're here telling me it's a miracle. How is that a miracle?
Okay, Mama, let me ask you. How else does miracle happen? I'm telling you that this is a miracle, yet you don't want to accept it that it's a miracle. God has just blessed you and you don't know it. These people, they might be angels sent from God at your point of need.
My son, all I know is that they will come back. I don't want to be a party to that kind of crime at all. You're a small boy. You don't understand what the implication will be when it comes. Please don't say that.
Mama, wait no more. God works in mysterious ways, okay?
No, Mba. Don't say that. I don't want that kind of miracle.
then you still need to watch your own back before you hurt yourself, man.
Find him. Search for him. Fish.
Dave, get down. I said get down now.
This is not a good place for me to be seen with the police.
Meaning what? Eh? The police is antichrist or HIV?
I didn't mean that.
Now, since you don't have any information to give us, and we cannot detain you, just get down.
Boski, see, this is not good now, eh? See, this place is a system area now. I mean, you want me to detain so I don't collaborate with police?
Alright, in that case, just tell us what we want to hear.
See, this boy, whether David or what be your name, if I dey shoot at the dance, begin tell us what you want here now.
But I told you guys that I have nothing, eh? I don't have anything to tell you.
Now get down before I splash your brain on that back seat. Take him down. Come on here. Come on. And this is my card. You can call me when you want to talk.
Okay.
Yes.
You know why I stop here? I said, I ask you, what we did there, is it right?
You know, if that young man is in the game, then he will have problems. But if he's not, then he's good.
Okay, I see as people they look am as guys, then they look am for that neighborhood, then they watch us in the waka.
You know, if really he's in the game, he will run to us for protection. Then he will give us the information we need.
Okay, they get bad feeling, oh.
Now, just forget that. Forget it. Wait, let me see. There's a text here. Can you imagine? Just take a look.
Hey, okay, another massacre. Abandoned school home.
Hi.
Okay, I told you. I say make you leave this. When they take the kill yourself.
Oh, wow.
You just don't worry.
But this is too much now. You know what? Let's just go there to fulfill our statutory duties. Let's go there.
I go to waka slow. Why be there? I never want die.
How can Baby Black leave this kind of beauty and go for that my ugly friend? Oh, this guy does not know what he's missing at all. Wait. Come to think of it. Why would Angel have him and not me? This life is so unfair. This life is so unfair.
Hello, son. How you doing?
Dad, what do you want from me?
I don't like the way you talk to me.
I said, what do you want from me? Just tell me and stop bitching.
You see, this is the exact reason I don't like contacting you.
The same reason why I don't ever feel like I have a dad.
What are you talking about?
When last did you check on your family? Ogechi is in school. Do you even know how much a school fees is? You ever wonder how we feel?
Well, you guys have decided to take sides with your stupid mom.
Don't ever talk like that about my mom. Or I'll never pick your calls again.
I see you've grown wings. You've really grown wings. I can see the streets is really doing something bad to your system.
You left us on the streets.
Right?
What do you expect?
I see. Anyway, the reason I called you is this. I hear the neighborhood is becoming more dangerous by the day. So I want you to stay off the street. Okay?
Yeah, the Blackwood guys and the Bangers crew are hitting up the streets.
Exactly. So I want you to stay off the street.
I'm keeping up.
Keep off the street until everything is over.
Then how do we survive? I mean, without me out in the streets, how do we survive?
The Lord will supply all your needs according to His riches in glory by Christ Jesus.
That's so fucked up of me. Bye.
Listen, son. Lay low, okay?
This one was shot at close. Let's go to the backyard and see the guy there. Let's question him.
This one was shot at a very close range. The bullet went through and through.
Sir, the closeness here means one thing.
What does it mean?
Our victim here knows the shooter, or the shooter tricked him and got so close.
You are right. That means we should be looking for someone close to the crew.
It's possible, sir.
Let's take on.
Okay, sir.
That was all I saw.
Who do you think could have carried out the attack?
Officer, seriously, I don't know anything about this. Count me out. I don't know anything.
How many of them?
So you have come again. How many times will I tell you? I said I don't know anything about this. I've told your men. I didn't see much. I was here and the attack took place in the main building.
So where is your boss now?
Officer, boss again. I don't know anything about any boss. I'm just a neutral guy. I just stay here. I don't know anything about the boss when they ask me, so I don't know anything.
But where was he during the attack?
Officer, seriously, if I know anything about this thing, I will tell you. I'm not going to hide anything for you now. I don't know anything now. I'm just a neutral man. Just stay here and do things on my own way.
Okay. Do you think your boss knew about this impending attack and decided to leave?
Officer, this is your question. You don't big past me. You don't big past. I don't understand you. I don't know anything now.
Fuck! Do you even know anything? How will you sure your name is Patrick?
Accepted, officer. I don't go to school now. My head get blank. Why they disturb me with all this question? I don't know anything.
That's alright. It's okay. Are you in contact with him?
I don't have phone. I don't get phone. When they talk about contacts, not be phone they will take get person contact. I don't get phone now.
Corporal.
Sir.
Go inside. Call Inspector Kelechi and Ralph for me.
Yes, sir.
Black.
Yeah, bro. The guys knew we were coming.
What do you mean?
Won't reach that place so they don't clear everything, you know. They cleared your place.
So, you didn't get that dickhead?
You know the other thing that they talk? I said when we reach there, they don't clear the whole place. Let's say we catch person for there. Trust me now, black mamba. If I don't hear breaking news now.
What of our stuff?
Merchandise. The blessing know the everything that they clear you. They reason me now. Before we reach the place, they don't clear the whole place. We only wasted our time and resources. That's it.
Cardinal is a big fool. Cardinal, you're a bloody bastard. Cardinal, you've beaten more than you can chew. And I will tell you that the street belongs to me. Listen, I want to hear his death news. I want to get the news of his obituary as fast as possible.
Well, I think he's lying low for now, or maybe out of town.
I don't care. Find him, search for him, fish him out, bury him alive.
Down a minor now.
I just want to hear his death news.
Now maybe Mamba now, trust me. A minor. As I follow the reason, so our boys they search everywhere. Clubs, bars, restaurants, hotels, everywhere for street.
I want to hear his obituary news.
They look for Cardinal. If they catch him,
Papa, for waiting.
Oh man, let the guy just run.
Cardinal.